Ford and Rivian cancel plans to jointly develop an electric vehicle. Interesting. Ford and Rivian no longer plan to co-develop an electric vehicle. The companies confirmed Friday. The two companies initially announced development of a joint vehicle when the automaker invested $500 million in Rivian back in 2019. Oh, Ford still does retain a stake in Rivian, 12%. I thought when they announced the Lightning, I couldn't remember. I thought they might have got rid of it. Anyway, at the IPO price... Oh, what's the value? Okay, the 12% stake is worth $10 billion right now.
Yeah, so yeah,
that's not nada.
They're good.
I'll tell you that much. So
I'm sorry, go on.
Well, it does seem odd, right? You're making an electric truck, and you own 12% of one of the most prominent electric truck companies.
And that
just down the street.
The bigger share is Amazon, right?
Well, but Amazon is not really. They don't create a competing product yet.
Sure.
Yet. The Amazon electric truck. No, you saw Bezos was rolling around in one of the early Rivians. He loves that thing.
Yeah. Space capsule to Rivian.
Man, I don't mind that Rivian one bit. Yeah. All right, so why did so they had plans to work together and then they decided not to. Is there a reason why? Let's see what it says in the top paragraph here. The two companies initially announced development of the joint vehicle. They later said it would be for Ford's luxury Lincoln brand, not for a truck. They canceled those plans last year. At the time, the automaker said that they would seek other opportunities to collaborate with one another. Those plans also have now been scrapped, according to Ford spokesman Ian Thibodeau. He said the company retains ties with Rivian, including their stake in the startup, valued at $10 billion. I don't know, man. I think it gets weird. You start co-making these vehicles and like Rivian.
IPs.
Well, no. Here's the thing. Rivian, I think, is going to have a hard time meeting demand already for people who want to buy their badge, for people who want to buy their thing. So if you start talking about co-development of another product and anybody that's trying to give you the full margin is missing out because you're trying to fulfill something that has another company's badge on it. It's a tough.
Yeah.
You're not recognizing you're not maximizing your ability to interact with your fans and your buyers and the margin associated with it. Usually B2B, you go to collaborate with another business, you got to slash your margins. Now, maybe eventually when production is less of an issue, but you show me, Will, the electric car company that isn't going to have production issues. Show it to me. Because I just had a friend yesterday say to me, okay, I see you in this Tesla. I want to get me one of these Model Ys. What you got to say about it? And that's what happened. It happened yesterday. Yeah. And I said to him, I'm just going to give you my experience. And again, this is very specific to this region and getting one of these cars into Canada or whatever else. But I said, it was supposed to come in March.
Yeah.
It said on it, March. I say, if you need a car, you better just be aware. Add some months to that. It's not going to be when they say. And that was a little terrifying to this buyer. Now, some people, it's like Tesla no matter what. They just put up with it.
Yeah.
But he has a small car. He wants to get a slightly bigger car for the cargo and whatnot. And so that's the pinch, is production still.
Not to mention the chip shortage as well.
It's all kinds of things on that front, but that's part of production, really.
Yeah.
It's not that the demand is not there. It's not that Tesla doesn't know how to do it. And Elon has said this many times, and I'm sure it's going to be the same for Rivian and others. Actually, the hard part is manufacturing. A lot of people think it's software development, or a lot of people think it's the ideas process or the design process or whatever. It's like, no, making big stuff is really hard.
Hardware.
Really hard to make big stuff and to do it efficiently and with quality and all the rest of it. It's hard.
Yeah.